So the first question of the day is, and I'm not seeing that, Christian, if you're pulling it up.
Yeah, it's up. Which of these statements?
So which of these statements is true? As grapes ripen, acid levels fall and sugars rise. As grapes ripen, acid levels rise and sugars rise. As grape ripens, acid levels fall and sugars fall. Or as grapes ripen, acid levels rise and sugars fall. So everyone's rising and falling and doing all sorts of things here. So is it correct A, B, C, or D?
Okay.
Yeah.
For you regulars who are with us every Monday, you know that the Jeopardy music plays, allows you to lock in that answer. See some answers coming in right now. When the music stops, we will reveal the correct answer.
Yeah, see a lot of A's coming through. I think we do have the A team here for sure.
Okay, and the music stopped, and it looks like, well, you can see there, Peter.
The answer is, indeed, the correct answer is A. So as grapes ripen, acid levels fall, and the sugars rise. And obviously, the winemaker or the vintner's choice of selecting the perfect time to harvest is when that sugar level reaches the optimal amount that they like. Also, the acids need to respire so that they aren't too high. But in addition to that, it wasn't part of the question, but they're always looking for the flavor development. And if it's a red wine, they're always looking at the tannin in the seeds and also in the skins to get a sense for what they feel like. And that's something that is often more important than just measuring acid and sugar nowadays, is that what we call that phenolic ripeness, where you get the flavors as well as the tannin development. Okay, great. So question number 2 is, according to the Napa Valley vintners, what percent of wineries are moving forward with making wine in this year? I should mention this year, the harvest of 2020. And as you know, we've had a few challenges here in Napa Valley. We've had a couple of fires. We've had a little bit of drought. It's been a very challenging year. You know, we had a pretty bad fire back in 2017, but this year we got hit almost back to back with a couple of fires. So not everyone is going to be making wine. So is the percent of wineries that are moving forward, is it 20%, 40%, 60%, or 80%?
Okay.
See the answers coming in. Not everybody's getting this one the same answer. So there's quite a level of separating the A team from the B, C, and D team, I guess. But actually, A may not be the answer. I'm just joking. So a lot of people I see are coming up with C and D, it looks like, from my end. How about you, Christian?
Yeah, looks like C and D pretty much across the board.
Yeah.
Okay, and the music stopped?
And the answer is, it is D. Yes, so according to Napa Valley vendors, 80% of wineries are moving forward, which is pretty remarkable. And now keep in mind, the Cabernet producers, that's a grape that typically is harvested a little bit later. We may not see too much of that, but there's certainly a wide variety of other varieties that are produced here, especially the white grapes like Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Noir, which is a little bit earlier ripening. Those varieties could still be made into some great wine here in the Napa Valley. And really our hearts go out to all of those people who've been affected by the fires, wineries, as well as the vineyard workers and people who live in the Napa Valley.